For US versions of the new C-Class with the M274 engine and the code 916, with the production date to mid-August 2014, check the electrical lines at the fuel feed module for damage as described in the customer service measure. For this job, the fuel gauge may display a maximum of 2 segments. First, disconnect the battery so that the car is free of power. Remove the seat to gain access to the tank. Fold the felt to the side and undo the 4 underlying screws holding the cover. For further work, wear protective clothing. First, disconnect the electrical connector. Place an absorbent cloth around the lines, because for the next step, some fuel will leak out. Disconnect the fuel line. Before opening the locking ring, mark the mounting position. Use this special tool to open the locking ring. Now you have access to the fuel feed module. Check all visible lines for damage. With us, everything is okay. Remove the old O-ring. Install a new one. Cover it with the appropriate lube. Insert the new seal and pay attention during the installation that the electrical wires are not pinched between the fuel tank and the locking ring. Put on the locking ring and close it. Pay attention to the mark you made. Connect the fuel line and remember the lock. The electrical connector now comes back into place. Connect the battery again. Once done, perform a leak test. To do this, start the engine and check the closure. If everything's watertight, the cover comes back into place. The further installation is in the reverse order.